Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app and heading straight to your profile. This gets you where privacy controls live. Once there, open Settings, choose Privacy, then Reels or Posts sharing. This is the control hub. Turn off auto share to your feed and any cross-post toggles to other platforms. Doing that prevents new Reels from posting automatically. Make sure to confirm each toggle visually, because some apps remember previous choices and require explicit disabling to stop future sharing. Once auto sharing is off, you need to clean up what's already shared. Go into your published Reels and choose Edit or Delete for any Reel you no longer want public. Switch visibility to Private or Archive if deleting feels too final. Don't forget to open your Drafts folder. Remove any queued content or disable autosave so unfinished Reels don't publish by mistake. Also check cross-post tags and captions that might trigger resharing on connected accounts. Remove them to avoid accidental reposts. Finish by verifying your changes. Create a short test reel and save it as a draft, then confirm it doesn't auto-publish or cross-post. If you still see shared reels, clear the app cache or log out and back into Force settings to refresh. If problems persist, revoke third-party app permissions and check any account-level cross-post settings on connected platforms. Only then contact support. This sequence ensures your sharing stops and gives you a clear troubleshooting step if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.